Hello everybody, my name is Mike Matrix and today we're playing a game that a buddy of mine, Dimebot, actually bought for me because, well, I don't know. He felt like it, I guess. So thanks for that. And it's currently in alpha, Glitchspace. Now this is apparently a first-person shooter type visual programming puzzle game on Unity. So yeah, that's a thing apparently. I've played just a tiny fraction, like 2 to 3 minutes to get sort of a grasp of what I'm going into. But yeah, I also reset the story mode so that we actually start at the beginning. So, story mode, here we go. And this is it. This is Glitchspace. It is very bright. And I can tell you because I'm actually... It is currently night. It is 2:15 AM right now. And it is very bright. I can almost not differentiate my gun. Also, apparently I'm a block. Which I'm guessing is probably because it's still in alpha and they're just prototyping this game, more or less. Which actually sort of isn't technically alpha, it's more of a prototype. Well, any case, WASD is moving. Jump into space. By the way, weird Unity jump, so you actually have to hold down W while you jump and hold it down the entire time, because if you do that, you actually fall down at the exact spot where you leave it. So no momentum carried over there, which really makes for a weird thing. I don't like that. So yeah, we can jump. And thing. Oh, yeah. Also, I somehow just wanted to crouch, by the way. It is very disorientated if you fall and like look somewhere. Like if I look there, it actually puts me back right there. Why did that put me back? Okay, seriously. They need to fix that. Anyways, here's the main gimmick of this game. This game is sort of this glitchy environment, and you're sort of a coder going through this. Also, I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, edit, right click. So, this is the main part of the game, which is this visual programming interface, which lets you edit sort of a part of the environment in the game, and through that you can sort of solve the puzzles. And on the side we have like objects and other stuff later on. We can add things to this visual programming language, like node setup. So we're adding the main object, which apparently references this red block thingy, so we can use that part and that part, which is the same sort of type, and we can reference that on this, and through that we scale the object in the right way, so it lets us walk to the exit, which is behind there, which is a cool concept, I have to say. Kind of liking the concept behind this, but holy crap, the graphics are disorientating. Like, oh my god. Like, there's no clear visual indication where to go. How about this glitchy thing, which actually makes my head weird. So again, we can scale things along Z, which is probably this axis. So let's just do like 10, which is a number, and we put it here, and voila. We scaled that up. Also, this is kind of cool that it retains an 3D space. So we can scale this thing up. We want numbers. So again, we just plug the correct thing into the cube, which is this thing, which is the main object. And let's put in 10. And this should be the x-axis, which probably is the first one. Yep. It actually tells you, I think, yeah. So we can scale that up by 10, for example. And we can then exit this. And we want to edit this thing, which again is up on Y. Which is actually... oh, damn it. I wish they would just go back. So we can add this. And then voila, we can jump over this. And be careful because it's Unity jump behavior. Oh boy. Yeah, I like that one. It's kinda cute. So you can actually can't, like, as soon as you touch that thing, it just doesn't collide anymore. Which is, this is the main object, this is the collision object, and object exists, it sets a false to here and to here, which makes this object, as soon as you collide, the object doesn't exist anymore, so you fall through. So that's this object. We need to fix that. And this down here, because we can't actually jump that high, we actually need to figure out how to apply force, which is, this is the colliding object, which is us, true, and this is us, and there's also a multiplier already there, and we can then do along Y. We want to apply force along the Y-axis onto the player, and we want to apply... hello? Do this way then. Apparently it's about... but yeah. So, as I said, like, as soon as you can actually see it changing. Collision. When something collides, it sets it to true. And disables collision. So now we can simply go ahead and add some logic. We want to have a true. And add an enable collision. And just like that. That actually works quite well. Now the problem is... oh shit. That didn't work. So if we go... this doesn't work. Let's just add a true and time it correctly. God damn it. What? I was through it. Okay, it doesn't update as smoothly as I wanted to. Well, I guess we could also do this, which just makes it solid. So again, what? This is not what I wanted. Not at all. This worked last time. So apparently that is... let's work it out. This is a really weird behavior, and I'm actually not quite sure how it's supposed to be solved. I mean, last time I tried this, I actually tried this before. I just did it by doing logic true here. And it sort of does it, but as soon as I touch it, it sort of disappears immediately, which is really weird. But yeah, we can just jump through, I guess. Again, we need to get up there, apply force, and now we do a little bit of move. Let's get a node 10. Maps, we have a multiply, which we will connect both to this. And let's just get another one and connect that. You can do it by dragging the pieces, but oh well. I just lost it, didn't I? Oh yay. Oh yeah, and did I mention there's no checkpoint system? So let's walk through this entire thing. And yeah, that in combination with like the jumping being really derpy makes for an odd experience. I can say the least. Oh, okay, there we go. So yeah, shoot. Okay. So I can shoot these platforms and jump over them. Again, need feet. Oh. Yay. Again, a neat feature, but I don't it's a cool concept, but it's super unfortunate. Like, it has a lot of problems guiding you to the actual location. I mean, I sort of understand where to go, but nothing really clicks, plus the graphics literally blind me to death with the light. Guess I can't walk through here. So we need to scale this object with numbers. That was easy. Long X. 0. Oh, it has a negative. That is cool. Let's do negative 10. Why is everything else in there? It just does that. So this scales it by 0 on the z-axis, which should be this way. Probably. So we need to scale it by line x. We have 20 and negative as well. So we can do... Let's get 2 negatives. I don't want to get into that many. I'll probably have to use them. So there's plenty of them. That is very narrow. That is very narrow and there we go. Not that hard. Again, like a lot of the puzzles simply apply force. So hang on, which direction was that? That was my direction, and that was X, so this should be Z direction. I need to scale it alongside. Now, numbers 20. Let's try 20. What happens? Oh wait, apply for this. We also need... I can actually remove that and use a vector instead. Oh. Y, Z. D for both. Hang on. Multiply. Yeah, we probably need to... Oh, hang on. Hey, yeah, we don't need along Y. Just need to give us enough power to do the along Z. So that we jump this and we'll go through. There we go. Level 3. I don't like the font. Seriously. Can you read that? I mean, yeah, you can, but... Really? Okay, we have a new thing, translate object. That is cool. And a wave. So now we translate the object by a multiplication of that. So if we do 5 over here, it should move outwards and then back inwards. That's cool. What is this? Okay, so again we have a wave multiplying by 20 and it's translating. And we want it to translate. Where do we want? Probably upwards. Let's move it along the way. Yep. That's the good stuff. Alright. So this is apparently the area where they explain you how to translate objects. Not in the language style, but in the position style. So, main object will get translated along the z-axis, which is probably that way. Fine. And we can change that now. We have okay. So I guess we remove ourselves. God, that's gonna be disorienting. And let's just try this. Ah, okay. So let's see what's happening. Let's do this. Let's add the cannon, and we're on the other side. Ta-da! Oh goodness sakes. What monstrosity is this? Again, one thing that I immediately noticed is like not all the red objects mean it has programming properties to it. This one does. This one doesn't. Make it clear which one. Like how I would probably do it is like if you hover over it, it like shows you a miniature display already of what that actually does. So you don't actually have to commit to looking to that. You can simply observe what's happening instead of that. But I'm guessing that's just my opinion. Well, logic. Disable collision. What does that mean? I mean, I know what it does, but... I see. So I'll do this. Oh, interesting. So they're now giving us completely freeform. So I need to enable collision on that cube. Is that the input or the output? Object? Do I need to... Yeah, I guess that's the input. Logic. Sure. That works. Again, why? Why put there a step and then let you jump that high? Alpha is alpha. What the? Okay. Did I go in the right direction? I'm not quite sure. Am I going in the right direction? I feel like I am. But again, this game makes it really difficult to know what's going on and where to go. I'm figuring it's this way. Shoot left. Yeah, I know that already. What is the purpose of this? What? Edit. So I can also edit with E. Why not tell me that immediately? What? So right click gives me an empty. E gives me an entire different. What? Is that just... Oh, this is like the general purpose editor, so okay. I have no idea what is going on. Disable collision objects. Hit objects. So I'm guessing this is like the cannon? Some sort? Enable collision on hit object. So we enable collision. Do true, false. Let's delete that so we can shoot things and they appear to be colliding with us instead of not colliding. So what is this? So now we have again some arbitrary hit object stuff here. So we edit that. We can scale an object along the y-axis. So I'm guessing we do 20 maybe. That is not quite well. Okay. I guess now I have to do 20? Maybe 0. Let's see, 0. Oh, it didn't do it the first time, that's why. Alright. That works. Okay. So we scaling hit object with X. Okay. I wish I could view this while. Okay, so we can add and subtract from this. So this is the on. Okay, let's add 10 each time we shoot. So each time it should get bigger. They really need to work on the graphics though. It just makes my head hurt. That up. So far until it touches. Okay. Can I do anything else? We can subtract. Can make it smaller, I guess. Nope. I'm guessing I have to do the editing with right click again. That is my random guess at this point. Yes. Ah, okay, so as soon as a colliding object comes in, it sets the scale to 0. Can we edit that? Oh yeah, we can remove that. Here it goes. Now we want to subtract because that's a way. We could actually do this because it doesn't work. Alright, here we go. Next realm. Okay. Oh, we got object, which is nice. True. This way. We want object, hit object over here. We want to translate that on the axis. Negative side, so I can translate those left. There we go. Oh. Man, that jumping, seriously. That needs some work. Now, since I need to jump. Oh god. Look away. It's flashing like crazy. We don't need negative anymore, but we need a long way. Let's connect that to that. And we're up here. Yay. Okay, so what can we do here? Transformation. Rotate object. That's a new one. Alright. That's not a thing, guys. A round C is not a vector. It can be a vector representation, but a round is still just a normal vector. But I see what you're trying to do. We need to rotate around. Why? Because we want to rotate this around this way, and y-axis is like this. So we need to rotate this around this. We need the hit object over here. We need a true to be up here. And we need 90, because we need 90 degrees. Funk. Also, it apparently just hit my screen there. Obviously can't work. Now this is different. This time we actually need to rotate around the z-axis. Because let's move that out of the way. To be upright. Alright. It is definitely an awesome input. Fired. Create object. Oh, that is cool. So now you can actually create platforms. That is actually pretty damn cool. So I can make my own platforms. Jump. Oh wow, that's it? I actually wanted to almost go, well, I probably cut the video here, but apparently this is it so far. So thanks for making this. It's an interesting concept. Really interesting. I hope you guys, if you're watching this, are gonna improve this, because I wanna see like lots of things. First of all, probably need some shading of some sort if you're going with that style. Like anything. Hopefully a better font. I don't know. I just don't like that font very much. I don't know. I can get used to it. What else? Glitchy thing? Cool. I think it needs to be refined a little bit. It's a very bright game. But yeah. It's actually quite fun. But don't take it from me, because I'm actually like a programmer myself, so this was straightforward for the most part. I would like a little bit more difficult, challenging levels for myself, but I'm guessing this is just a prototype. But yeah, thanks for making this. I've been Mike Matrix. Thanks for watching, and as always, leave a comment or a like if you like that video and you have to say something about it. Yeah, this has been Glitchspace. Goodbye!